Now remember, at the beginning of this session, I asked you to pick between two statements that best describe you. The two statements were either, if what I am doing makes me happy, then it must be right. Or, if what I am doing is right, then it should make me happy. You chose B. If what I am doing is right, then it should make me happy. Your answer is a statement that tends to reflect the perspective that you generally seek to know what is true, independent of how you feel, and then try to guide your emotions to line up with what you believe to be true. It is interesting that you chose B because you have responded to questions earlier in the course suggesting that you rely on circumstances for how you feel. This is a contradiction in your core assumptions about the role of circumstances in your life. And it's not that uncommon for people to be a little inconsistent on this issue, because many people have not thought a lot about this, and many answer questions differently at different times, depending on how they are seeing things at the moment. This may mean that you should use this course to help clarify what your core assumptions really are, so you can think, feel, and act more consistently. Also, gaining more clarity on how you think about circumstances is important, especially since you responded earlier to being a Christian. How you process your circumstances is one of the more challenging areas for Christians because relying on circumstances contradicts what God tells us about truth. Jesus said he was the truth and that the truth will set you free. But what did he mean? He wanted you and I to know that he is the revealed qualities of God and that he reveals to us all truth in himself as he draws us closer to him in relationship. In this way, we are free from how our circumstances affect our needs because we have all of the provisions and privileges of God's kingdom in our life in Christ. When God created the world, he said it was good. Is that because the world makes someone's circumstances favorable? God had not even created humans when he said creation was good. Jesus told the rich young ruler, "No one is good but God." The Christian's view of good does not rely on our circumstances, but focuses on the qualities of God. Let's move on for now, and hopefully the remaining discussions of this course will help you in how you think about circumstances and truth.